Hello everyone, welcome to LeenFX. In this video, I'm showing you step by step how I designed this movie poster from advanced skin manipulation to build an alien hand from sketch. If you want to follow along and practice, you can access all the images I used for this project by clicking the link in the description below. I am Sandro Sanlin, freelance Photoshop artist and a university student. I do photo manipulation as a hobby and you can see my work on this YouTube channel, LeenFX. Okay, no more talk, let's jump straight into Photoshop. Alright, here we are in Photoshop. First up, we need our main character. Okay, resizing her and getting the position just right. Now let's get her off this background. You can use any method, okay? You can use lasso tool or pen tool, anything. But since the background is solid color, I am taking the shortcut is the magic contour. Okay, let's set a solid color behind her. Okay, then we need to turn her into a horror character. Let's start with her eyes. In here I'm using the pen tool to trace the eyes. Converting that part into a selection and painting them with white color. It's looking a bit flat and 2D, so let's add some depth. Adding brightness adjustment layer, reduce brightness, inverting the mask, and painting in some shadows with a soft white brush. Now those eyes has some realistic creepy dimension. Then I found this image. Yeah, it is pretty gross. We only need a small selection of these. Let's cut that out and placing it on her cheek. I'm modeling the wound to the shape of her face. For that I'm using wrap. Match the wound's color to her skin tone. Let's add some more character to the skin. I think we can add something from this to our girl. Okay, I cut out this piece and let's change its blend mode to color burn and mask out unnecessary parts. We can repeat this process for another piece. Okay, now her face looks good. Wait, I think I want her pupils back. Copy and paste. Add level adjustment. And change blend mode to screen. It's better than before. Now let's make the alien hand. This is actually a photo of my own hand. I couldn't find the right stock photo, so I just shot it myself. Okay, let's separate it from background. We need to make empty part of the hand. Then let's match the colors. To make it look like alien, I'm desaturating the skin using levels to push highlights. Now for the veins, I'm using this lava texture. Then set the blend mode to color. Change the color to the green using hue saturation, and then head into layer styles. You can go there from double click on that layer. Okay, go to emboss. Here what I'm going to do is try to sync the veins into hand, because the alien hands some kind of stranger look. Then add some glow to make the veins look more energetic. Hands look too clean, though aliens are messy. I'm overlaying a dirt texture to give the hand some dirty look. And then let's add nails. Okay, looks good. Then let's add some blur to our background, drop in the exposure. Now I'm going to add some highlights to the girl. Since the alien hands are glowing, that light should be reflecting onto her face. Make green solid color layer. Make blending mode to overlay and paint with white soft brush. Also add brightness layer and paint with white brush. Like that. Now I want to look like the hand literally absorbing her soul. To do this, I am selecting all the girl's layers. Group them. Duplicate the group and then merge group. This allows us to merge all the layers within the group into a single layer. Then it convert to smart object, then filter, liquify. I am pulling the pixel upward toward the hand. Because it's a smart object, I can go back and tweak this layer if I need to. Hit OK. Then again filter, blur, motion blur. Hit OK. Then again highlights. Okay, we are one step away from the finish line. Finally, we have our complete movie poster. To achieve this final look, I shifted all the elements upward, add gradient to the bottom and add text. And there we have it, from a simple portrait to a haunting movie poster. It's amazing what you can create with just few adjustment layers and little bit of imagination. Let me know what you think of this movie poster in the comment below. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to LeenFX for more Photoshop tutorials. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video.